Good morning, students. In previous video, we are discussing about different types of matrices based on different types of matrices by solving the problems. Now, today I will continue again based on different types of matrices to solve some more problems. Now, here problem number 25, that is most important problem, that is 5-mark question. In your question paper, they will ask. That question was asked in several times. Okay, so in your question paper, part D, question number 48 belongs to such type of problem. Now here the problem number 25. If A is the matrix of order 3 cross 3, B is a matrix of order 3 cross 4, and C is a matrix of order 2 cross 4. Now the question, find A into BC and AB into C. Then verify that both are equal or not. Show that AB into C is equal to A into BC. Okay. Now we are first to find BC matrix. What is B matrix? 1, 3, 0, 2, minus 1, 4. C matrix 1, 2, 3, minus 4. Second row 2, 0, minus 2, 1. Now this is a matrix of order 3 cross 2. That is a matrix of order 2 cross 2. Now multiply those two matrices. How to multiply? Operate row by column. Multiply row by column, not row by row. Okay. So multiply row by column. 1 into 1, 1 plus 3 into 2, 6. Then first row by second column. 1 into 2, 2 plus 3 into 0, 0. First row by third column. 1 into 3, 3. 3 into minus 2, minus 6. First row by fourth column. 1 into minus 4, minus 4. 3 into 1 plus 3. Similarly, take second row by first column. 0 into 1, 0 plus 2 into 2, 4. Second row by second column. 0 into 2, 0 plus 2 into 0, 0. Second row by third column. 0 into 3, 0. 2 into minus 2, minus 1. Second row by fourth column. 0 into minus 4, 0. 2 into 1, 2. Take third row by first column. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1 plus 4 into 2, 8. Third row by second column. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2. 4 into 0, 0. Third row by third column. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3. 4 into minus 2, minus 3. Third row by first column. Minus 1 into minus 4 plus 4 plus 4 into 1 plus 4. Simplify. 1 plus 6, 7. 2 plus 0, 2. 3 minus 6 minus 3. Minus 4 plus 3 minus 1. Second leg. 0 plus 4, 4. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 minus 4 minus 4. 0 plus 2 is 2. Third leg. Minus 1 plus 8, 7. Minus 2 plus 0 minus 2. Minus 3 minus 8 minus 11. 4 plus 4, 8. This is 3 rows, 4 column matrix. This is the matrix BC. Then to find A into BC. What is A matrix? 1, 1 minus 1. 2, 0, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. Into BC matrix is this one. 7, 2 minus 3 minus 1. 4, 0 minus 4, 2. Third line 7 minus 2 minus 7, 8. Now again multiply those two matrices. This is a matrix of order 3 cross 3. That is a matrix of order 3 cross 4. After multiplication, it is a matrix of order 3 vanished. That is 3 cross 4. How to multiply? Multiply row by column. 1 into 7, 7 plus 1 into 4, 4 minus 1 into 7, minus 7. First row by second column. 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 0, 0 minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2. First row by third column. 1 into minus 3 minus 3. 1 into minus 4 minus 4. Minus 1 into minus 11 plus 11. Then first row by fourth column. 1 into minus 1 minus 1. 1 into 2, 2. Minus 1 into 8 minus 3. Then take second row by first column. 7 into 2 into 7, 14. 0 into 4, 0. 3 into 7 plus 13. Second row by second column. 2 into 2, 4. 0 into 0, 0. 3 into minus 2 minus 6. Second row by third column. 2 into minus 3 minus 6. 0 into minus 4, 0. 3 into minus 7 minus 30. Next, second row by fourth column. 2 into minus 1 minus 2. 0 into 2, 0. 3 into 8, 24. Then take third row by first column. 3 into 7, 21. Minus 1 into 4 minus 4. 2 into 7, 14. Third row by third column. 3 into minus 3 minus 9. No, that is third row by second column. 3 into 2, 6. minus 1 into 0, 0, 2 into minus 2, minus 1. Third row by third column, 3 into minus 3, minus 9, minus 1 into minus 4 plus 4, 2 into minus 7, minus 20. Then third row by fourth column, 3 into minus 1, minus 3, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, then 2 into 8, 16. Then simplify, plus 7 minus 7 cancel, that is 4, 2 plus 2, 4, minus 3 minus 4 minus 7 plus 11, 4, minus 1 plus 2, 1, 1 minus 8 minus 7, 14 plus 21, 35, 4 minus 6 minus 2, minus 6 minus 33 minus 39, 2 minus 2 plus 24 plus 22, next 21 minus 4, 17, 17 plus 14, 31, 6 minus 4 is 2, minus 9 plus 4, minus 5, minus 22, minus 27, minus 3 minus 2, minus 5, plus 16, that is 11. Call it as equation 1. Next, to find AB into C. Now, to find AB matrix. A matrix 1, 1 minus 1, second row 2, 0, 3, third row 3 minus 1, 2, into B matrix 1, 3, 0, 2, minus 1, 4. Again, multiply those two matrices. After multiplication, it is a matrix of order 3 vanish, 3 cross 2. How to multiply? Row by column. 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 0, 0, minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1. Then first row by third column, 1 into 3, 3, right? Then 1 into 3, 3, 1 into 2 plus 2, minus 1 into 4, minus 1. Then second row by first column, 2 into 1, 2, 0 into 0, 0, 3 into minus 1, minus 1. Second row by second column, 2 into 3, 6, 0 into 2 plus 0, 3 into 4, 12. Take third row by first column, 3 into 1, 3, minus 1 into 0, minus 0, 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Third row by third column, 3 into 3, 9, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, plus 2 into 4, 8. Simplify, 1 plus 1, 2, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 minus 4 is 1, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 6 plus 12, 18, 3 minus 2, 1, 9 minus 2 is 7, 7 plus 8, 15. This is AB matrix. Then, to find AB into C, therefore AB into C matrix is equal to, what is AB matrix? 2, 1, minus 1, 18, 150. C matrix, 2 cross 4 matrix. 1, 2, 3 minus 4 first row, second row 2, 0 minus 2, 1. Then again multiply row by column, 2 into 1, 2 plus 1 into 2. First row by second column, 2 into 2, 4, 1 into 0, 0. First row by third column, 2 into 3, 6, 1 into minus 2, minus 2. First row by fourth column, 2 into minus 4, minus 8, 1 into 1, plus 1. Take second row by first column, minus 1 into 1, minus 1, 18 into 2, 36. Second row by second column, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, 18 into 0, 18. This one is 0. Second row by third column, minus 1 into 3, minus 3, 18 into minus 2, minus 36. Then second row by fourth column, minus 1 into minus 4 plus 4, 18 into 1 plus 18. Similarly, take third row by first column, 1 into 1, 1, 15 into 30. Third row by second column, 1 into 2, 15 into 0, 0. Third row by third column, 1 into 3, 15 into minus 2, minus 3. Third row by fourth column, 1 into minus 4, minus 4, 15 into 1, plus 15. Then simplify, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 0, 4, 6 minus 2, 4, minus 8 plus 1, minus 7, then minus 1 plus 36, 35, minus 2 plus 0, minus 2, minus 3 minus 6, minus 39, 4 plus 18, 22, 1 plus 30, 31, 2 plus 0, 2, 3 minus 30, minus 27, minus 4 plus 15, 11. What is equation 2? Verify from equation 1 and 2 are they same? Yes. Therefore, from equation 1 and 2, it follows that AB into C is equal to A into BC. Most important problem, 5 mark. You practice it. Practice ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕಿದನ್ನ. Okay. Problem number 26. Again, 5 mark question. Most important problem. That question was also asked in several times. So, if A is the matrix of order 3 cross 3, B be a matrix of order 3 cross 3, and C be a matrix of order 3 cross 1. Now the question, calculate means to find AC matrix, BC matrix and A plus B into C matrix. Also verify that A plus B into C is equal to sum of those two matrices AC plus BC. 5-mark question, most important. Okay. Now we are first to find AC matrix. AC is equal to A matrix given, that is 3 cross 3, 0, 6, 7, minus 6, 0, 8, 7, minus 8, 0. This is A matrix. What is C matrix? 3 cross 2 matrix, 2, minus 2. Now this is 3 cross 3 matrix. This is 3 rows, 1 column matrix. That is column matrix. After multiplication, it is a matrix of order 3 cross 2 matrix. Now multiply. How to multiply? Operate. Multiply row 1, column. So 3, 0 into 2, 0. 6 into minus 2, minus 12. 7 into 3 plus 21. Right? Next. Take second row by first column. Minus 6 into 2 minus 12. 0 into minus 2 minus 0. 8 into 3 24. Third row by first column. 7 into 2 14. Minus 8 into minus 2 16. 0 into 3 0. Okay. Now that is equal to minus 12 plus 21 9. Minus 12 plus 24 12. 14 plus 16 30. 9 12 30. This is the matrix AC. Then to find BC matrix. B into C. Again B matrix is 3 cross 3 0 1 1 1 0 2 1 2 0. Into C matrix 2 minus 2. Then again multiplication of those two matrices. Multiply row by column. 0 into 2 0. 1 into minus 2 minus 2 plus 1 into 3. Second row by first column. 1 into 2 2. 0 into minus 2 minus 0 plus 2 into 3 6. Third row by first column. 1 into 2 2. 2 into minus 2 minus 4. 0 into 3 plus 0 is equal to minus 2 plus 3 1. 2 plus 6 8. 2 minus 4 minus 2. This is BC matrix. Okay. Then add these two matrices. Now, therefore, AC plus BC is equal to, what is AC matrix? AC matrix is 9, 12, 30. Plus, what is BC matrix? 1, 8, minus 2. Okay. This is 3 rows, 1 column. That is also 3 rows, 1 column. Both the matrices having same order. By adding the corresponding elements, that is 9 plus 1 10, 12 plus 8 20, 30 minus 2 28. To call it as equation 1, AC plus BC. Then to find A plus B into C. Also to find A plus B into C. Now first to find A plus B. What is A matrix? 0 6 7 minus 6 0 8 7 minus 8 0 plus, what is B matrix? 0 1 1 1 0 2 1 2 0. Observe it, both the matrices having same order. Therefore, by adding the corresponding elements of these two matrices, 0 plus 0 0, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 8, second line minus 6 plus 1 minus 5, 0 plus 0 0, 8 plus 2 10, then third line 7 plus 1 8, minus 8 plus 2 minus 6, 0 plus 0 0. This is A plus B. Therefore, A plus B into C matrix is equal to, what is A plus B? 0 7 8 minus 5 0 10 8 minus 6 0. This is A plus B. into C matrix. What is C matrix? 2 minus 2 3. This is 3 cross 3 matrix. This is 3 cross 1 matrix. After multiplication, that is a matrix of order 3 cross 1. How to multiply? Row by column. Multiply row by column. So 0 into 2 0, 7 into minus 2 minus 14, 8 into 3 plus 24. Correct? Next, second row by first column. Minus 5 into 2 minus 10, 0 into minus 2 minus 0, 10 into 3, 30. Third row by that column. 8 into 2 16, minus 6 into minus 2 plus 12, 0 into 3 plus 3. That is equal to minus 14 plus 24, 10, minus 10 plus 30, 20. Then 16 plus 12, 28, 28 plus 0, 28. Or it as equation 2. Okay, now AC matrix this one, BC matrix is 1 10 minus 2, AC plus BC is 10 20 28, and A plus A into C matrix is 10 20 28. Are they equal? Yes. Therefore, from equation 1 and 2, it follows that we conclude that in our way A plus B into C is equal to AC plus BC. 5 mark question. Simple ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. Okay? Correct ಆಗಿ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ. Here, if A is the matrix of order 3 cross 3, B is a matrix of order 3 cross 3, and C is a matrix of order 3 cross 3, then show that A plus of B minus C is equal to A plus B minus C. Again, to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. That is very important sum. Again, is 5 mark question. Now, we are first to find B minus C matrix. Now, to find B minus C. What is B matrix? 3 minus 1 2, 4 2 5, 2 0. This is B matrix. Minus C matrix 4 1 2, 0 3 2, 1 minus 4. Okay? In between these two, notation is subtraction of those two matrices by subtracting the corresponding elements. 3 minus 4 minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2, 2 minus 2 0, second line 4 minus 0 4, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 5 minus 2 3, third line 2 minus 1 1, 0 minus of minus 2 plus 2, 3 minus 3 0. This is B minus C. Now take left hand side. A plus B minus C is equal. What is A matrix? 1 2 minus 3, 5 0 2, 1 minus 1 1. This is A matrix. Plus B minus C matrix. Minus 1 minus 2 0, 4 minus 1 3, 1 2 0. This is B minus C. Again, both the matrices having same order. Adding the corresponding elements, 1 plus of minus 1 0, 2 plus of minus 2 0, correct? Then 3 plus 0 minus 3, 5 plus 4 9, 0 plus of minus 1 minus 1, 2 plus 3 5, 1 plus 1 2, minus 1 plus 2 1, 1 plus 0 1. This is A plus of B minus C. Call it as equation 1. Similarly, to find A plus B minus C. Also, now to find A plus B matrix. What is A matrix? 1 2 minus 3, 5 0 2, 1 minus 1 1. A matrix plus B matrix 3 minus 1 2, 4 2 5, 2 0 2. 8. Adding the corresponding numbers. 1 plus 3, 4. 2 plus 4 minus 1, that is 1. Minus 3 plus 2 minus 1. 5 plus 4, 9. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 5, 7. 1 plus 2, 3. Minus 1 plus 0 minus 1. 1 plus 3, 4. This is A plus. Then take RHS. A plus B minus, what is A plus B? 4, 1 minus 1, 9, 2, 7, 3 minus 1, 4. Minus C matrix 4, 1, 2, 0, 3, 2, 1 minus 2. This is C matrix. In between these two again, notation is subtraction. Subtract 4 minus 4, 0, 1 minus 1, 0, minus 1 minus 2, minus 3. Next line, 9 minus 0, 9, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 7 minus 2, 5, 3 minus 1, 2, minus 1 minus 4 minus 2 plus 2, that is plus 1, 4 minus 3, 1. Equation. Observe those two equation. Here 0, 0 minus 3, 9 minus 1, 5, 2, 1, 1. Is there? Therefore, from equation 1 and 2, it follows that we conclude that LHS is equal to RHS, that is A plus of B minus C is equal to A plus B minus C. 5 mark question, most important. Clear, students? That is problem number 28. 5 mark question. If A is the matrix of order 3 cross 3, 3 rows, 3 columns, then show that AQ minus 23A minus 40I is equal to 0. Okay. Now we are first to find A square. Now how to solve A square? As you know that A square can be written as, we write A into A. Okay. Now here what is A matrix? 3 cross 3 matrix. 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 4, 2, 1. This is A matrix. Into same matrix. 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 4, 2, 1. Okay. Now multiply those two matrices. Multiply row by column. Yes. First row by first column. 1 into 1, 1. Plus 2 into 3, 6. 3 into 4 plus 12. Take first row by second column. 1 into 2, 2. 2 into minus 2 minus 4. 3 into 2 plus 6. First row by third column. 1 into 3, 3. 2 into 1, 2. Plus 3 into 1. First row is over. Take second row by first column. 3 into 1, 3. Minus 2 into 3 minus 6. 1 into 4 plus 4. Second row by second column. 3 into 2, 6. Minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. 1 into 2 plus 2. Second row by third column. 3 into 3, 9. Minus 2 into 1 minus 2 plus 1 into 1, 1. Take third row by first column. 4 into 1, 4. 2 into 3, 6. 1 into 4 plus 4. Third row by second column. 4 2s are 8. 2 into minus 2 minus 4. 1 into 2 plus 2. Third row by third column. 4 into 3, 12. 2 into 1 plus 2. 1 into 1, 1. Okay. Now simplify. That is equal to 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 12, 19. 2 minus 4 minus 2 plus 6. That is 4. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 3 minus 6 minus 3 plus 4, 1. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 2, 12. 9 minus 2, 7 plus 1, 8. 4 plus 6, 10 plus 4, 14. 8 minus 4, 4 plus 2, 6. 12 plus 2, 14 plus 1, 15. This is A square. Therefore, to find A cube, now A cube can be written as A square into A. What is A square? 19, 4, 8, 1, 12, 8, 14, 6, 15. This is A square into A matrix. Given matrix 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 1, 4, 2, 1. Okay? Now multiply those two matrices. That is equal to, again, operate row by column. 19 into 1, 19. 4 into 3 plus 12. 8 into 4 plus 32. First row by second column. 19 into 2, 38. 4 into minus 2 minus 8. 8 into 2 plus 16. First row by third column. 19 3s are 57. 4 into 1 plus 4. 8 into 1 plus 8. Okay? Next, second row by first column. 1 into 1, 1. Plus 12 into 3, 36. 8 into 4, 32. Second row by second column. 1 into 2, 2. Minus 12 into 2, 24. 8 into 2, 16. Second row by third column. 1 into 3, 3. 12 into 1 plus 12. 8 into 1 plus 8. Third row by first column. 14 into 1, 14. 6 into 3, 18. 15 into 4, 15 4s are 60. Third row by second column. 14 into 2, 28. 6 into minus 2, minus 12. 15 2s are 30. Third row by third column. 14 into 3, 42. 6 into 1, 6. Plus 15 into 1, 15. Therefore, A cube is equal to, simplify, 19 plus 12 plus 32. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 9, 13. Carry 1. 4, 5, 6. 63. 38 minus 8, 30. 30 plus 16, 46. 57 plus 4, 61 plus 8, 69. Then 1 plus 36, 37. 37 plus 32, 69. 2 minus 24 minus 22. Minus 22 plus 16, minus 6. 3 plus 12, 15. 15 plus 8, 20. 14 plus 18, 32. Plus 60, 90. 28 minus 16. 28 minus 12, 16. 16 plus 30, 46. 42 plus 6, 48. Plus 15, 53, 60. This is A cube. Okay. Now to prove that, take LHS. Here is A cube minus 23A minus 40I is equal to 0 matrix denoted by 0. Now substituting the values. What is A cube? 63, 46, 69. 69 minus 6, 23. 92, 46, 63. This is A cube. Minus 23 A matrix. 23A. A matrix is 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 4, 2, 1. This is A matrix. Minus 40I. I means what? Identity matrix of order 3 cross 3. Why we take 3 cross 3? Because the given matrix A is a matrix of order 3 cross 3. Take I is a matrix of order 3 cross 3. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0, 0. Simplify. That is equal to 63, 46, 69, 69 minus 6, 23, 92, 46, 63 minus by scalar multiplication 23 into 1, 23, 23 2s are 46, 23 into 3, 69, again 23 into 3, 69, 23 into minus 2, minus 46, 23 into 1, 23, 23 4s are 92, 23 2s are 46, then 20 minus again by scalar multiplication of the matrix multiply each element by 40, 40 0 0 0 40 0 0 0 40. Okay, all the matrices having the same order by subtracting the corresponding elements one by one. Subtract properly. 63 minus 23 minus 40. Correct? 63 minus 23 minus 40. Next, 46 minus 46 minus 0. Next corresponding number 69 minus 69 minus 0. Second line 69 minus 69 minus 0. Minus 6 minus into minus plus 46, then minus 40. Next corresponding number 23 minus 23 minus 0. Third line 92 minus 92 minus 0. 46 minus 46 minus 0. 63 minus 23 minus 40. Okay? Then simplify. 63 minus 23, 40. 40 minus 40, 0. 46 minus 46, 0. 69 minus 69, 0. This is 0. Minus 6 minus 40 minus 46 plus 46, 0. 23 minus 23, 0. 92 minus 92, 0. This is 0. 63 minus 23, 40. 40 minus 40, 0. So observe it, all the elements are 0. That is known as zero matrix. Denoted by 0, that is equal to RHS bar. 5 mark question, most important. Note ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So if A is the matrix, then show that AQ minus 23A minus 40I is equal to 0. That question was asked several times. All side repeat ಆಗಿದೆ. Okay, correct ಆಗಿ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Okay, problem number 29. If A is equal to 2 cross 2 matrix and I is the identity matrix, find the value of K so that the condition A square is equal to K into A minus 2R. Using this concept, using this condition to find the value of K. Now here A square is equal to K into A minus 2R. Now here first to find out A square. A square can be written as A into A, right? So that is A matrix 3 minus 2 4 minus 2 into A matrix 3 minus 2 4 minus 2 is equal to, multiply those two, operate row by column. 3 into 3 9 minus 2 into 4 minus 8, first row by second column minus 6 plus 4, second row by first column 12 minus 8, second row by second column minus 8 plus 4. So A square is equal to 9 minus 8 1 minus 2 4 minus 4. This is A square. Now since given data, given A square is equal to K into A minus 2R. Now to find the value of K, using this, rearrange. Therefore, K into A is equal to, rearrange, K A square minus 2I goes to left side plus 2I. Right? So K into A is equal to A square. What is A square? A square value, that is 1 minus 2. Okay. Then 4 minus 2. Plus 2 into I matrix 1 0 0 1. Okay. Therefore, K into A is equal to 1 minus 2 4 minus 4 by scalar multiplication 2 into 1 2 0 0 2. Okay. So K into A is equal to, adding the corresponding values, 1 plus 2 3 minus 2 plus 0 minus 2 4 plus 0 4 minus 4 plus 2 minus 2. Because both the matrices having same order, adding the corresponding elements, 1 plus 2 3 minus 2 plus 0 minus 2 4 plus 0 4 minus 4 plus 2 minus 2. So K into A is equal to, now look here, the matrix first to 3 minus 2 4 minus 2, this is nothing but given in the matrix A. It is the same here. So it is the same here. So this is nothing but what? A matrix. Then divide both sides by A. K is equal to A divided by A. Cancel. That is K value is 1. K is equal to 1. Okay. Next problem number 30. 3-mark question. Important sum. If A is equal to 2 cross 2 matrix, first row 0 minus tan alpha by 2 plus tan alpha by 2 0, and I is the identity matrix. I is the identity matrix of order 2. Then show that I plus A is equal to I minus A into 2 cross 2 matrix cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Look here. How to solve? Given data, A is the matrix 0 minus tan alpha by 2 plus tan alpha by 2 0. Okay. Now that is A is equal to 0 minus, put tan alpha by 2, call it as a t. Now alpha name okay, or you call it as a t. Now this is t 0, where t is equal to tan alpha by 2. Take tan alpha by 2 is equal to t. So A is equal to 0 minus t 0. Okay. Then to find cos alpha and sin alpha. Okay. Now here you know that cos alpha is equal to, convert cos alpha in terms of tan by using submultiple angle. Do you remember that formula? Cos alpha using submultiple angle in terms of tan. What is the formula? 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2 using submultiple angle formula. Similarly, sin alpha is equal to, convert sin alpha in terms of tan by using submultiple angle. What is the formula? That is 2 tan alpha by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Remember, if it is 1 minus tan square alpha by 2, that is the value of tan alpha. If it is 1 plus tan square alpha by 2, that is sin alpha. Remember those two formula. Now that is equal to 1 minus. Now we have tan alpha by 2 is t. Tan square alpha by 2 is t square divided by 1 plus t square. And here 2 tan alpha by 2 is t by 1 plus t square. We got all values. Now to prove that LHS equal to RHS. Now take LHS part. What is LHS? I plus A is equal to, I means identity matrix 1 0 0 1. Take identity matrix of order 2 cross 2, because the given matrix A is a matrix of order 2 cross 2. Take I is a matrix of order 2 cross 2. plus A matrix. What is A matrix? 0 minus t plus t 0. Clearly those two matrices having same order by adding the corresponding elements 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus so minus t, 0 plus t is t, 1 plus 0 1. This is I plus A, call it as equation 1. This is LHS 1. Take RHS. What is RHS? I minus A into matrix cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Okay, that is equal to I minus A. I matrix 1 0 0 1 minus A matrix 0 minus t plus t 0. Okay, into cos alpha in terms of tan 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square minus sin alpha in terms of tan 2t by 1 plus t square sin alpha 2t by 1 plus t square cos alpha 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Values one substitute point. Sin alpha cos alpha value is coming. Okay. Now that is equal. Now first to simplify those two matrices. Clearly these two matrices having same order. Subtracting the corresponding elements. 1 minus 0 1, 0 minus 1 minus t plus t, 0 minus t, 1 minus 0 1 into 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square minus 2t by 1 plus t square 2t divided by 1 plus t square 1 minus t square divided by 1 plus t square. Okay. Now again both the matrices having same order. Multiplication of those two matrices. How to multiply? Multiply row by column. First row by first column. That is equal to first row by first column. 1 into 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Okay. Plus t into 2t by 1 plus t square. T into 2t. 2t square by 1 plus t square. Right? Next, first row by second column. 1 into minus 2t by 1 plus t square minus 2t by 1 plus t square. T into that value, that is plus t into 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Take second row by first column. Minus t into this. Minus t into 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square plus 1 into this 2t by 1 plus t square. Take second row by second column. Minus t into minus 2t plus 2t square by 1 plus t square. Okay. Plus 1 into that value 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Multiplication of those two matrices. Then simplify. That is equal to take the LCM. LCM is 1 plus t square. Here in the numerator 1 minus t square plus 2t square divided by 1 plus t square. Okay. Here LCM is 1 plus t square. Multiply by 1. Here also multiply by 1. Minus 2t plus t into 1t plus into minus t into t square t cube. In second line LCM is 1 plus t square minus t into 1 minus t plus t cube plus 2t. Right? Again here take the LCM. LCM is 1 plus t square 2t square plus 1 minus t square. Simplify. That is equal to 1 minus t square plus 2t square plus t square divided by 1 plus t square. Here minus 2, that is minus 2t plus t minus t cube by 1 plus t square. Here minus t plus 2t plus t cube by 1 plus t square. 2t square minus t square plus 1 upon 1 plus t square. Okay? Then further simplify 1 plus t square by 1 plus t square. Here minus t cube. Take minus t common. No, minus t common. 1 plus t square by 1 plus t square. Here take t common. 1 plus t square by 1 plus t square. Here this is as it is t square plus 1 by 1 plus t square. Simplify. 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square cancel. Here 1 plus t square cancel. In second row 1 plus t square cancel. Again 1 plus t square cancel. Remaining value 1. Here minus t. Here t. Here 1. Equation. This is RHS. What is LHS? 1 minus tt1. What is RHS? 1 minus tt1 are the same? Yes. Therefore, from 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, it follows that we conclude that LHS is equal to RHS. Clear, students? Now, cos alpha cosine alpha in terms of tan convert formula easier. Okay? So, to solve some more problems in next class. Okay, students? Thank you.